Good morning, class. Today we are going to be learning about data interpretation and representation. So when we say the word data, all this means is information. Okay, so this video is for a Year 6 level, and we are learning to interpret and compare a range of data displays, including side-by-side column graphs. What I'm looking for is students to correctly interpret and compare a range of data displays, including side-by-side column graphs. The content descriptor is to interpret and compare a range of data displays, including side-by-side column graphs for two categorical variables. And the feedback I got last time in my last video was to make the concept more relatable to students' everyday lives. Okay, so today we are going to be looking at this class's favourite sport choices. So this is an Excel program, so I think you guys have played around a little bit with Excel. So we're going to be logging our data into this table. So there's a girls column, a boys column, and I've listed the 4 top sports. So we're going to go through and you're going to vote for what your favourite sport is. So the girls, there are 3 of you that prefer tennis. There are 3 boys. Cycling, there are 3 girls, 1 boy. Cricket, there are 4 girls and 9 boys. And athletics, there are 5 girls and 2 boys. Okay, so we have shown this data, this information on our favourite sport choices. We've shown this in a little mini table. So the table doesn't look like much, does it? But we can understand what the data means. But let's have a go at putting this data into a column graph. Okay, so we come up here and we go to graphs, and let's pick a 2D column graph. Okay, so let's make this a little bit bigger. Okay, we'll change the title. So I think I might change it to sport choices or sport choice. Okay, so let's have a look at interpreting this graph. So this is a column graph, so we can see the columns here. Okay, so who remembers what this is called down here? That's right, that's a legend. So this legend is telling us that the girls are represented by the blue and the boys are represented by the orange. Okay, so, and what up here, we've got our y-axis, which has the number of kids, so you guys. Okay, so how many girls and how many boys preferred tennis? So we can see that both girls and the boys, 3 each of you enjoyed the tennis. Okay, so if we're looking at the cricket, which did the boys or the girls prefer cricket? Which gender preferred cricket? So we can see that the cricket, 9 of you preferred the cricket, 9 boys, and the cricket, 4 girls. So there were more boys interested in cricket. But if we come to cycling, there was only 1 boy interested in cycling, but there were 3 girls interested in cycling. So for this sport, the girls preferred cycling as a whole. So today, class, we have learnt how to compare data through a range of different ways. So we looked at the table here, and we looked at making it into a column graph. Okay, so what are some other ways that we could have shown the data? Can you think of any other ways we could have shown data? Yeah, there's lots of different ways. So we could have used a pie graph, we could have used a picture graph. Yeah, tally marks, there's lots of different ways, class. I hope you enjoyed today. Thank you.